And we are back. We are back on the No Nonsense Trader tutorials. And this is Dave, and it is lesson 7, the exit indicator. Okay, so let's just review over what we got on the screen here. Up top here, we've got the baseline with the 1 ATR envelopes around it. Okay, we've got the primary indicator, we've got the secondary indicator, and then right here we've got two different exit indicators. Okay, we're going to use this one today, but we're going to take a look at this one too. And this is just another one that I'm using. Okay, so this exit indicator right here is called the QQE, which means qualitative quantitative estimation. Okay, I've seen a lot of different QQEs out there. Okay, they are not the same. You want to make sure whatever QQE you're using, that it looks something like this. I've seen some really weird ones that totally don't act like this for an exit indicator. Okay, another exit indicator that I'm using is called the Rex oscillator. Okay, this one was introduced by VP a little bit later in all of his videos, okay? And I didn't get to testing it, and I started testing it and realizing, man, this one has some different personalities to it, and it might be better than this one. So that's why today I'm just gonna just line these both up, and you can see which one works better. Okay, and that's what you got to do with indicators. You line two up together, and you can compare them while the price moves. And where did the exit indicator indicate at a better place than the other? Did it stick through some of the tougher times? And yeah, so that's how you compare different indicators and see which one is better than the other, if they give better results. And so these two right here, I mean, they look like they're from the same family, just with the colors, but also just, I don't know, the two-line cross. I wonder if the maker of this, we're looking at the QQE for ideas for the Rex. And so let's get going here, and let's press some bars and do some trades. Okay, so we're gonna wait for a baseline cross again. And this one's not a baseline cross, but this one is right here. Okay, we're going to put in our order and our buy order, and then here we're going to use risk 1%. Okay, the stop loss is going to be 96, and then the take profit, oh geez, I messed that up. Stop loss is 143, and the take profit is 96. Okay, and we'll put the buy order in, and then we'll make the second order and put the next buy order in, check it to make sure it went through. Boom, it did. Okay, now let's go. Press in this tutorial, we're going to use this exit indicator, the QQE, to exit out of the trade. So as soon as this crosses, okay, this one right here, we're just going to observe it, watch it, and yeah, let's get going. So the first take profit was taken. We'll move it to break even, and then close this, and then let's see how she goes, and we'll wait for this to signal. Okay, we're still good. Oh man, look at that. So we got a cross. So this red bar right here, and we can see the QQE says to get out. Okay, but we look down here, the Rex is still signaling to stay in. It's still good. Remember, we don't look at this candle right here. This one, it looks like it's crossing, but we're not going to look at that one. But anyways, yeah, we use this one, we're going to exit. So let's close all. But let's just keep on going and see what the Rex, when does the Rex tell us to get out? So looks like now the Rex turned over. So, you would have got a little bit more. Yeah, so, I don't know. Maybe I might say goodbye to the QQE and start working with the Rex and see if that's a better exit indicator. But now I showed you how to use an exit indicator, and I gave you two different examples of an exit indicator. And so I am going to include all of this in the downloadable file on the website, and it's going to have the template, so you just load it in, and it's going to look exactly like this on your screen. All right, everybody. Hey, thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next one. See you later. Bye. All right, everybody. Hey, thanks for watching Lesson 7. If you want to download those indicators that are on Lesson 7, let's go on the website and find out where they are. Go on to How to Backtest Lesson 7. Click on it. And then Exit Indicator, how to exit a trade. You can download all those indicators right there. Hey, thanks very much for watching. I had a request about sharing something from Japan that is healthy, that we're eating here. And this is mozuku. And yeah, this is something that I eat almost every day. It is seaweed in vinegar. I don't know why I like it. And yeah, this one is shikwasa. This fruit right here flavored. So it's like a citrus fruit flavored. Yeah, we'll eat this, and I don't know, it's like taking a vitamin or something. It makes you feel good, and it sets your stomach good for the day. And yeah, these are like little Japanese vitamins that I like to eat. And I think everybody in Japan eats this kind of stuff. That's why they're so healthy and they live so long. They're just eating little vitamin packs like this every day. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and there'll be more in the future. Thanks for watching.